Good morning, Honorable Chair, and dear delegates of this committee. The delegation of United Kingdom, on behalf of King Charles III, is pleased to be part of this committee. Treats to international peace and security. Terrorist financing enables terrorist groups to carry out activities that threaten global peace and security. It focuses on preventing and combating the flow of illicit of diverted money to these groups through international measures that strengthen financial controls. The UK maintains committed to strengthening international peace and security, as highlighted in 2021 integrate review. The UK will work to reduce the frequency and intensity to conflict and instability, alleviate suffering and minimize the opportunities for harmful actors to undermine international security. In February 2022, the UK launched its new conflict center with the Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office, placing great emphasis on using diplomacy and development approach to address the drivers of conflict outside, providing fragile countries' resilience to external interference and maintaining mainstreaming women's pivotal role in all aspects of the conflict cycle. The risk to our collective peace and security are multiple, privacy and complex and intrinsically linked to global issues such as climate, economy, health, and food insecurity change. We may need to accept that we are not trending back to a stable predictable norm. In conclusion, the UK delegation is aware of the situation and notes that it is time to take action. One solution is to examine public-private partnerships in financial intelligence, which includes the creation for platforms. The second solution is to develop stricter standards for international transactions, which will involve establishing clear control mechanisms.